Here we have the 990 printing with a P1 solvent ink cartridge on some metal plates. Now every now and then you'll come across a time where your ink cartridge may not be able to print properly. This could mean either your inkjets are clogged or the ink inside the print has been dried up. So what we're going to need to do is a cleaning and purging process. So what you need, a paper towel, some isopropyl alcohol, and a syringe. The first thing you're going to want to try is the paper towel and the isopropyl alcohol. Dip the alcohol on the paper towel and then gently rub the print head so that the black ink can come out, so that it can bleed over. Now if you're dealing with an ink cartridge that's very stubborn and doesn't want to work, this is where the syringe will come into play. See, the method is that you have the syringe be set to the second or the third tick from the spout. Then put it on top of this plug that's on this cartridge here. Now what this is going to do is that this is going to put air into the cartridge. As you shoot down, air will go from the spout into the cartridge to bleed some of the ink out of the cartridge. This method is used to make sure that all the ink jets inside the cartridge are unclogged so that we can continue with our printing operation. Repeat this method as many times as you can until you achieve the optimal print that is desired.